Welcome to example program. In this video we will see how we can write a Python program to display its own source code as the output. So all that code that we are going to write here will be displayed as the output of this program. So what we have to do is we have to open up this file containing the source code and we have to read the contents and we have to display it. Just like the way we open up any file and display its content, we can open up this file and we can display the contents. But the thing is, we need to get the name of the file containing the code, which is nothing but we need to get the name of this file containing the source code along with its path. In Python programming language, a special variable is available and it is called as __file __, and this special variable, when it is used inside a file, normally it contains the path to the file where it is used. So now to demonstrate that, if I print out the value stored in this variable by using the print function, if I save this program and if I run this code, then here you guys can see we get the path to this file where I have used this file variable along with the file name. So you guys can see this file is stored in the C drive inside users Anil Shetty desktop VS Code programs folder, and the name of the file is source code and the extension is py. So you guys can see here it is a Python file. So now we know the path along with the file name for this file where we are writing the code. So what we can do is we can open it up and we can display its contents. So I'm gonna use the with here, so it will be with, and we will use the open function to open a file, and here we need to provide the path along with the file name. So we're gonna use the file special variable __file__, and I'm not gonna specify the file opening mode, and that's why it will take it as a read-only mode. So if you don't specify anything as the file opening mode here, then it will open up in the read mode. So after that we will use as, and I'm gonna call it as source file, and then what we want to do is we want to read the content of this file. So we will write source file dot read. By using this read function, we will read the content of this file, and after that what we are going to do, we are going to display that. So I'm going to use the print function in here. Okay, this is the code. Now I can save this, and if I run this program, then you guys can see we get this as the output, which is nothing but the code that we have written inside this program. Now in this program, if you have anything else, then also it will be displayed. For example, I'm gonna declare a variable in here. I'm gonna say x equal to 10. I'm gonna save this file, and if I run this program now, you guys can see that is also included. So all the content of this source file will be displayed here. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then hit the like button. If you don't like it, then hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next video.